Mijo, dile que cuánto cobra la mano de obra. My dad said how much for a hand job. Hand job? Does he want me to check him? Dijo que por cheque. Pues sí, cheque está bien, pero también si quiere efectivo o también se lo mando por cel. Ok, déjale digo. My dad said cash, check, or he could send it through Zelle the money. Look, kid, he needs to stop being a clown. Dijo que eres un payaso. ¿Cómo que soy payaso, güey? Pues vente, vámonos. I heard about your dad. First my little brother, now he wants to come here and offend me. Let's go.
Do not buy this truck, man. This truck has broken down so many fucking times. I've wasted a lot of fucking money. My wife left me, man. I'm homeless now. I don't have a job. I don't have